streets. Look at this. Whole parking lot is flooded. And this right here is supposed to be a street. The stoplights don't work either.